in the very back, in the middle. And he is our largest stingray. He's about 260 pounds. Then we also have Super Ray, and he also, I believe, just went towards the back. But Super Ray is our oldest. He was born in the very, very long ago year of 1996. So very old. The next species that we have in this exhibit, you might not be able to see right now, but they are our spotted eagle rays. So the spotted eagle rays are very cool. They are also kind of Dorito shaped, but a little bit larger than the cownose rays. They have a lot of spots on their back, hence the spotted eagle ray. And they have a very long nose or rostrum that is used to dig through sand. Some people kind of say that their rostrum looks like a dolphin's rostrum as well. So these guys are super cool. They can jump up to 6 feet into the air, which is really, really cool if you ever get a chance to see it. And they are our most intelligent species. So we actually have to distract them up at the top while the other stingrays are getting fed, because they would try to steal all of the other stingrays' food, and if we let them, they would probably be successful. So that wouldn't be very good for us or the other stingrays. So we have 3 of the spotted eagle rays. We have 1 female who is the largest and 2 males, and their names are Harry, Ron, and Hermione. So what some people don't realize about stingrays is that they are very, very closely related to sharks. They are practically cousins. So stingrays and sharks both belong to a group called elasmobranchs. And elasmobranchs are really, really cool in that they don't have any bones. So elasmobranchs have a cartilaginous skeleton, which means their whole skeleton is made up of cartilage. And if you're wondering what cartilage feels like, give your nose or your ear a little bit of a wiggle, and that's also cartilage. And they have this cartilaginous skeleton to keep them light and flexible in the water so that they can move the way that they do. So a lot of people are afraid of sharks, and I'm here to tell you that there's actually nothing to be afraid of. They do get a bad rep from movies and TV shows, but realistically there are only about 8 documented shark attacks per year, and that's usually due to a case of mistaken identity. Out of the 530 known species of sharks, only 10 are known to be dangerous to humans, and that is because of their teeth that can cut through bones. So rays are also super cool, and rays have these really cool flat teeth. They don't have sharp teeth like their cousins, the sharks, but they have very, very flat teeth, and these teeth are called dental plates. And so their dental plates are used to crush and grind on shelled prey. So rays eat things like squid, capelin, herring, and clams. So they use these flat teeth to crush and grind on the clams that they eat. Even though it doesn't look like they have teeth, they do. And the divers, if you've ever asked one of them if they have been bitten by a ray, the answer is most likely yes. It comes with the occupation. And they say it kind of feels like getting your hand slammed in a cabinet door. It hurts for a second, and then once it's released, the pain kind of dissipates and goes away. I still don't suggest getting bitten by a ray, though. It's probably not fun. So another cool thing about sharks and rays is that they have this really, really cool sixth sense that we don't have. And this sixth sense is called electroreception. So electroreception is where they have many little pores concentrated mostly around their mouth, and these pores are called ampullae of Lorenzini. And these pores can sense the chemo and electro signals in the water. So that's how they get their food to their mouth, even though their eyes are on the opposite side of their body. And just so you know, later on, when you guys are able to pet these stingrays, if you keep your hands super, super still in the water, they can actually sense your heartbeat and will come over no matter how still you are being. They will know that you are there. So don't splash, it actually overwhelms that sense and they'll try to stay away. Keep your hand very, very still. So rays and sharks are super, super cool animals, but unfortunately they're highly, highly affected by human activities such as bycatch. So if you don't know what bycatch is, it is where a fisher is going after a different species, and they accidentally catch the sharks or the rays. So about one